Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link CJ Dropshipping with eBay. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can link that at first and then show you guys how you can import products, every single thing you need to know. Okay, let's get started right now. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for CJ Dropshipping on Google, and then you want to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. Now I have already created an account. I'm just going to click on sign in, and as you can see here, guys, I'm going to go to my another account because I already linked my CJ Dropshipping account to my own eBay account. So I'm going to use a new one. As you can see here, I'm going to delete the eBay account that I have linked before because I linked the account here. Okay, so what you guys need to I'm going to click on authorization in the top. I'm going to click on eBay and I'm going to delete the account. As you can see here, I'm going to click on delete, confirm. Okay, so like I said, you want to create an account on CJ Dropshipping if you haven't done that already. And then what you need to do, guys, to connect CJ to eBay, you just need to click on authorization in the top left. Okay, and then you will find here a few different options. You want to select eBay. And then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on add store. Okay, now before you click on add store, you make sure you add your Payoneer to your eBay account. Okay, you make sure you add your Payoneer, your credit card, so that you can, you will be able to connect CJ to eBay, but you will not be able to import products until you add here the payment method, so that customers from eBay they will be able to pay you guys, okay, on eBay. Now it says here authorization success. Now for you, you will scroll down, because if this is your first time, you will scroll down and give, eBay will ask you if you want to give access to CJ Dropshipping to have all the information so that they can source and ship the product for you. Like each time you get a sale on eBay, CJ Dropshipping will be able, guys, to ship the product automatically to the customer, and they will provide the tracking number and stuff like that. Now, as you can see, it says here authorization success. Now you have successfully linked CJ to eBay. Now how you can start importing products? That's why I made another video in the screen right now. It will show you guys how you can start importing products, how you can do dropshipping from CJ Dropshipping to eBay, every single thing you need to know. Just click the video in the screen and drop a like on this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll reply to every single comment. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Click the video in the screen right now.